Scene script. Have you ever pondered the thought of getting your home deep cleaned, like really deep cleaned? Not a swift dusting or a quick vacuum, but a thorough, comprehensive scrub down from top to bottom. It's a question worth considering. Deep cleaning, beyond its obvious aesthetic benefits, has profound impacts on our health and well-being. It's not just about a shiny floor or a spotless kitchen counter. Deep cleaning is about creating an environment that promotes health and wellness. Let's delve into some facts. The Environmental Protection Agency reveals that indoor air can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. This is because of the accumulated dust, pet dander, mold spores, and other air pollutants that are trapped within our homes. These pollutants can cause a range of health issues, from allergies and asthma to more serious respiratory diseases. A deep cleaning can significantly reduce these pollutants. A study conducted by the National Center for Biotechnology Information found that deep cleaning could reduce indoor dust by 60% and mold spores by 85%. That's a massive improvement for your indoor air quality. Now, think about your kitchen, the heart of your home. According to the National Sanitation Foundation, the kitchen is the dirtiest place in a typical home. It's a breeding ground for bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. A deep clean, however, can eradicate these harmful bacteria, making your kitchen a safer place to prepare your meals. And let's not forget about your mental health. A study published in the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin found that people living in cluttered homes experienced higher levels of stress and depression. A deep cleaned home, on the other hand, can promote a sense of calm and well-being. So what have we learned today? Deep cleaning your home is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a healthier environment for you and your loved ones. By reducing indoor pollutants, eradicating harmful bacteria, and promoting mental well-being, a deep cleaned home can significantly improve your quality of life. But what if you don't deep clean? You expose yourself and your loved ones to potential health risks. You may also experience higher levels of stress and discomfort in your own home. So, in the grand scheme of things, a deep clean is more than just a luxury. It's a necessity. It's about taking care of your health and the health of those you care about. So, the next time you think about cleaning your home, consider going a little deeper. You'll thank yourself for it later.